Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a runtime and an editor on your phone. Install Termux on Android or ISH on iOS, or grab a trusted code runner app. Once done, install Node.js or Deno in the terminal, or open the browser console for quick scripting. Make sure to grant storage and terminal permissions so files and packages work. Use a small editor like Vim, Micro, or a mobile IDE to edit files. This gets you ready to run and iterate code immediately. Now run and inspect your code. In Termux or ISH, execute Node file, JS or Deno run file, TS, in a mobile IDE press run. Once running, use console. Log, breakpoints, and browser dev tools when testing DOM or network calls. If you need libraries, install with npm or yarn, or import remote modules with Deno. Make sure to test network permissions and async flows on the device, because mobile connectivity and APIs can behave differently than desktop. Finish by saving and syncing your work. Use Git, Dropbox, or GitHub to back up scripts and versions. Once done, automate tasks with a scheduler or background service where supported, and package apps with PWAs or web views for distribution. If something breaks, first check file and network permissions, then inspect terminal logs and console output for stack traces. Make sure modules are compatible with mobile runtimes. Swapping to a pure.js polyfill often resolves platform-specific errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.